Thank you for joining me on this journey through Tropea, the undiscovered jewel of Calabria. This magical place, nestled snugly in the toe of Italy's boot, is a world waiting to be explored. From the cobblestone streets that resonate with centuries of history to the awe-inspiring coastline, there's an endless supply of discoveries to be made. Let's begin with the vibrant streets of Tropea, where every turn promises a delightful surprise. These are the arteries that pump life into this enchanting city. Lined with charmingly rustic buildings, old-world boutiques, and bustling markets, the streets of Tropea hum with a unique melody of life. The beaches of Tropea are the epitome of serenity. Adorned with soft, inviting sand and lapped by azure waters, they are sanctuaries of relaxation. The sapphire horizons of the Tyrrhenian Sea, interspersed with dramatic cliffs and secluded coves, are a sight to behold. When the golden sun melts into the sea, painting the sky in breathtaking hues, the beaches become an artist's dream come true. No mention of Tropea would be complete without praising its tantalizing cuisine. From the local pecorino cheese to the famed Tropea onions, every dish is a symphony of flavors. The local seafood, caught fresh daily, the ripe, juicy fruits plucked from sun-kissed orchards, the homemade pasta prepared with love and tradition, the tantalizing desserts that echo the sweet spirit of Tropea, all are a testament to the culinary richness of this hidden gem. And then there are the landmarks, standing tall amidst this splendor. They are the silent witnesses of Tropea's rich past. From the majestic Norman cathedral to the captivating Santa Maria dell'Isola, every monument has a fascinating tale to tell, stories etched in stone waiting to be unraveled. Every moment in Tropea is an experience, an encounter with the quintessential Italian charm. It's a place where modernity and tradition coexist harmoniously, creating a unique blend that leaves you yearning for more. The sun-dappled piazzas, the welcoming locals, the vibrant festivals, the intoxicating aromas wafting from little trattorias. Each element of Tropea weaves a captivating spell. From the golden sunrises that light up the quiet mornings to the gentle nightfall that brings a soothing calm, every moment in Tropea is a moment to be treasured. Tropea is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's the feeling of warm sand between your toes, the taste of fresh seafood caught that morning, the sight of an ancient church against a backdrop of the sparkling sea. It's the discovery of a new favorite dish, the sound of laughter echoing through the streets, the sensation of the sun warming your skin as you relax on the beach. It's the joy of exploration, the thrill of discovery, and the peace that comes from being surrounded by such natural beauty. So remember Tropea, the hidden gem of Calabria. Carry its memories in your heart and let them inspire you to continue your journey of exploration, because the world is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep experiencing the beauty of the world around you, for there's always more to see, more to taste, more to learn, and more to love. From Tropea, with love.